Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are starting the exercise of homogeneous differential equations. Now the question, y square plus 2xy dx plus x square dy equal to 0. So we can write this as x square dy equal to minus y square plus 2xy dx, and dy by dx equal to minus y square plus 2xy divided by x square. We can write dy by dx as minus y square over x square and 2xy over x square, and this is equal to minus y by x whole square plus 2y by x. This is the function of y over x. So this is the equation of the homogeneous differential equation. Now to solve the homogeneous differential equation, we use a method. We put y equal to vx and v equal to y over x. So differentiate this by using the product theorem of derivative. Dy by dx equal to v plus x dy by dx. So in this place we put the value of dy by dx, which is equal to x plus v plus x dv over dx, and this is equal to minus, in place of y over x we put v. So this is minus into v square plus 2v, and after simplification we have x dv over dx equal to minus v square minus 2v minus v, and this is minus v square minus 3v. Now by cross multiplication, this become minus dv over v square plus 3v equal to dx over x. Now variables being separated here. In this side variables are v, and in this side variable are dx. Now integrating both sides, minus integral dv over, taking v common, this become v into v plus 3, this is equal to 1 by x into dx. Now by using the partial fraction method, 1 over v into v plus 3 equal to 1 by 3v minus 1 by 3 into v plus 3 by using partial fraction. Now we take the integral minus integral 1 by 3v minus 1 over 3v plus 3 into dv is equal to 1 over x into dx, and this is minus 1 by 3 1 by v minus 1 by v plus 3 dv. The integral of 1 by x into dx equal to log x plus log c. Now the integral of 1 by v is natural log of v, and this is v and derivative of v is 1. So integral of 1 by v is log of v, and derivative of v plus 3 is 1. So integral of this is log of v plus 3. This is equal to log of c into x. By property of log they can multiply. We can write this as log of c into x. Again apply the property of log. This is minus 1 by 3 log v over v plus 3 equal to log of cx. This becomes log of v over v plus 3 to the minus 1 by 3 equal to log of cx. We cancel the log, and this become v over v plus 3 to the minus 1 by 3 equal to cx. Now we can write this as v plus 3 over v minus 1 by 3 into cx, and this also can be written as v plus 3 over v c cube into x cube, and this is v by 3 equal to c dash x cube. We write c cube as c dash. Now replace the value of v. V is y by x, so in this place we put, in place of v we put y over x. So this become v plus c divided by v will become y plus 3x over x into x over y equal to cx cube, and this become y plus 3x over y, they will cancel, and equal to cx cube. This implies by dividing by y over y is 1 plus 3x over y equal to cx cube, and 3x over y equal to cx cube and minus 1. The value of y will be 3x divided by cx cube minus 1. This is the required solution. Now question 3, solve the differential equation x square minus 3y square dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0. So we can write this as 2xy dy equal to minus x square minus 3y square into dx, and dy by dx become minus x square plus 3y square divided by 2xy. So dy by dx equal to minus x square divided by 2xy and 3y square divided by 2xy. And we can write this as minus 1 by 2 y by x plus 3 by 2 y over x. This is a function of y over x. So we say that this is a homogeneous differential equation. So to solve homogeneous differential equation, we put y equal to vx and v equal to y by x. By using the product theorem, dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. And here in this place, dy by dx, we put v plus x dv by dx and minus 1 by 2 v plus 3 by 2 v. Now 2v is LCM, this become minus 1 plus 3v square. X dv by dx equal to minus 1 plus 3v square divided by 2v, and this is minus v. 2v is the LCM. So we write this as minus 1 plus 3v square minus 2v square. Now x dv by dx equal to v square minus 1 divided by 2v. By cross multiplication, we have 2v over v square minus 1 dv equal to dx over x. Now variable being separated here. Now we integrate both sides. Now the integral of this 2v divided by v square minus 1, the function and its derivative, and the integral of this is log of v square minus 1, and integral of dx over x is log x plus log c. Now applying the property of the log, this is a log of cx, log will cancel. This is v square minus 1 cx, I put v is equal to y over x. In this place, put v equal to y by x. This is where y by x square minus 1 equal to cx, and y square equal to cx, and y square equal to 1 plus cx, and y square equal to x square into 1 plus cx, the required solution. Now question 4, solve the differential equation x square plus 3y square dx equal to 2xy dy by dx equal to x square plus 3y square divided by 2xy, and this is equal to x over 2y plus 3 by 2 y over x. Dy by dx equal to 1 by 2 y over x plus 3 by 2 y over x. This is the function of y over x. So we see that this is a homogeneous differential equation. Again, we use the method, put y equal to vx and v equal to y by x, and dy by dx equal to v plus x dy by dx. In this place, we put v plus x into dy by dx, and this is 1 by 2v plus 3 by 2v. LCM is 2v, so this become 1 plus 3v square, and x dy by dx equal to 1 plus 3v square divided by 2v, and take this v in this side, this become minus v, and 2v is the LCM, this become 1 plus v square divided by 2v, and this is the equation. Now by cross multiplication, we have 2v divided by 1 plus v square dv equal to dx over x. So integrating both sides, function and its derivative, this become log of 1 plus v square and log of x plus log of c, and this is log of cx. Log will cancel. This have 1 plus v square cx. So we replace the value of v, which is y over x. This become 1 plus y square by x square equal to cx. We have x square plus y square equal to cx cube, and y square equal to cx cube minus x square, the required solution. Now question 5, solve the differential equation x square plus xy plus y square dx equal to x square y. This implies dy by dx equal to x square plus xy plus y square divided by x square, dividing by x square. This is 1, this is y by x, and this is y square by x square, and this is a function of y over x. So this equation is the homogeneous differential equation. Again we put v y by x and v y equal to vx and v y by x, and dy by dx equal to x plus dv into v plus dv by dx. So this is, in this place we put v plus x dv by dx, and this is 1 plus v square. In place of y over x, we put v. This is value. Now this become x dv by dx equal to, this v and v will cancel, and we have x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v square. And by cross multiplication, we have dv over 1 plus v square into dx over x. Now variable being separated, so we integrate both sides. The integral of this is tan inverse v, integral of this is log of x and log of some constant. This is log of c into x. So tan inverse, in place of v, we put y over x. Tan inverse y by x equal to log of cx, the required solution. Question number 6, solve the differential equation x sin y by x dy equal to y sin y by x minus x into dx. So dividing this equation by x, we divide this equation by x, we have sin y by x dy equal to y over x sin y by x and minus 1 into dx, and this is dy by dx equal to y by x sin y by x minus 1 divided by sin y over x. By cross multiplication, we put v equal to y equal to vx, v equal to y over x, and dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. In the place of dy by dx, we put v plus x dv by dx, and in place of y by x, we put v. This is equal to v sin v minus 1 divided by sin v. Again, we take this v in the side and taking sin v as LCM, and this become x dv by dx equal to v sin v minus 1, and this is LCM. So this become minus v sin v. They will cancel. We have minus 1 divided by sin v. By cross multiplication, sin v into dv equal to minus dx divided by x. The variable been separated, so we take the integral both sides. Integral of minus sin v is cos v. The integral of this is log x plus c. And in place of v, we put y by x, and this is the required solution. Question 7, solve the differential equation x cube plus y square under root x square plus y square dx equal to minus xy under root x square y square dy equal to 0. So we have xy, x square y square under root dy equal to x cube plus y square under root x square plus y square into dx. So dy by dx is x cube plus y square x square under root plus y square under root divided by xy under root x square plus y square. So taking x cube common, so we have 1 plus y square by x square into x under root x square plus y square divided by. In this step, we write this as x cube y by x under root x square plus y square divided by x. They will cancel. So we have 1 plus y by x whole square, and this is under root 1 plus y by x whole square, and this is y by x, and this become 1 plus y square by x square under root. This is function of y by x. So this equation is a homogeneous equation. So again we put v equal to y equal to vx and v equal to y by x, and dy by dx equal to v plus x into dy by dx. In place of dy by dx, we put v plus x dy by dx. In place of y by x, we put v. 1 plus v square, 1 plus v square under root divided by v into 1 plus v square. So we have x dy by dx equal to 1 plus v square under root 1 square plus v square under root divided by v into under root 1 plus v square. And this is 1 plus v square under root 1 plus v square divided by 1 plus v square. This is LCM, and this is multiply to minus v. So after simplification, we have the z x dy by dx equal to 1 over v into under root 1 plus v square, and by cross multiplication, we have v into under root 1 plus v square dv equal to dx over x. The variable been separated, so we integrate both sides. So you see here, derivative of 1 plus v square is 2v. So this is 1 by 2, its power is 1 by 2. So by integration, we have 1 by 2, 1 plus v square 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, and this is log of x plus the log of some constant. So we can write it as, they 2 will cancel, the 1 by 3, 1 plus v square power 3 by 2, and log of c1x. They will multiply by property of log. You see, this is 1 plus v square to the power 3 by 2, and we multiply 3 in this place. This is 3 log of c1x. This implies 1 plus v square to the power 3 by 2 log of c1 x to the power 3. By property of log, this 3 will become power. So in place of v, we put y over x, 1 plus y square by x square power 3 by 2 log of c1 cube x cube, and c1 cube equal to c. So this become x square plus y square by 3 by 2 over x cube log of c1 cube. In place of c1 cube we put c. So in this place we put c, and this is x square y square about 3 by 2, and x cube will multiply here x square y square 3 by 2 equal to x cube log of cx square, the required solution.